Hi, we're with Seiko. My name is Christopher Agbayani. I'm the creative director for here in North America.
My name's Catherine. I'm the color director in North America.
We wanted to show you a little bit of our new collection. It's called Collection X. It's a trilogy for us this year. It commemorates and celebrates our 10th DVD release. This is our Collection X-Ray, one of the parts of the collection. We'll start with the haircutting. What we've got here is we got a very classic balance. X-Ray is very classic. It's meant to be quite strong. Really sort of inspired by Fernand Fonsagraves, a French photographer that works with nudes, works with lighting, and I think the classic shape, working with bone structure, jaw lines, cheekbones, really those elements is what's going to keep it classic, but again, pushing that border a little bit to give it that creative edge. So again, putting in a nice clean outline and layering it through with the haircut.
With the color, we've done nice, dark, deep, rich brown base colors and taking in little panels of a nice bright accent internally in through the shape.
And this part of our trilogy is called XS. Think back to the 90s, think back to sort of these designers, Jill Sanders, Raf Simons, really during that rebellious industrial movement within clothing, so minimalist, industrial. We've got these elements within our haircut again. These strong, crisp lines. Really the balance and that stark definition between shorter lengths and longer lengths. Okay? Really, it's not far off from classic men's cutting, but it's sort of the way that we put it together. It's the way that we sort of envision, again, that industrial unity between the lengths of the shorts and the lengths of the long.
For the colors, we've been doing very dark blue-black bases, working with tonal variations with any color placement. And for the blondes, we've been taking very light, pre-lightened bases and been doing tonal changes with the blondes. We have a lot of creamy blondes, really bright white blondes, and with our model today, we've done a very nice slatey gray all over tone, which is really nice. Something different, it's a little bit darker, and I think it's really nice to see with the shape.
One of my favorite looks here today. This is part of our collection called XL. And what XL is, it's sort of a combination of the two. Sort of the industrial strength in the lines, volume, texture, and movement. So within this haircut, there's a lot going on, but it seems very sort of simple to the surface. So we've got sort of these chevron sections that move this way, intersecting, sort of like a backgammon board. Working one area short to long and leaving a panel, working an area short to long, leaving a panel. So what we get out of that is that movement, that body, that texture that defines XL. And again, I think the whole scene with this, sort of the cape, the bondage feel, the color, I think, steals the show with this, and let's get to that.
As for the color, we've been taking lots of internal shapes to work with the volume and the texture of the haircut. And we have a few lengths as well, so we wanted to really highlight the lengths. So what we've done is we've taken a nice V-shaped section in through the fringe. We've used a pure tone a pure tone gold with Alpha Parf, which comes out amazing. This is it on its own with 20 volume. A beautiful bright yellow. We've also taken in through the sides to work with the haircut and the disconnection in the haircut. Vertical sections in through in front of the ears and in through the back. 3 vertical sections working along the nape in the back to work that yellow in through the lengths as well.
So again, that's our collection, latest collection for 2012 at Seiko. Again, on behalf of Richard Atforth, on behalf of Seiko worldwide, my name is Christopher, this is Catherine, and again, thank you guys.